Yeah. So it's on. So it looks like I reset it.
Just want to give a little overview of what's happening because sometimes this is just what van life looks like. Um, we had a little noise go off today, some alarm that caused us to have to go all the way back here. We don't know if it's for the propane gas or carbon monoxide, which you need to check. We had to check this whole panel back here, the fuse for everything. And as you can see, Harlan is very much in the thick of trying to figure this out. So, just wanted to share the sexy side of van life. Harlan, just wave hello to the friendly folks.
Disaster averted.
All right, I think that's a good sign. He's putting everything back.